Most people talk about stocks, real estate, and crypto, but the real wealth builders are playing a different game. They're investing in uncommon markets, leveraging hidden trends, and creating opportunities before the masses catch on. If you want to build wealth in 2025 and beyond, you need strategies that aren't mainstream yet. This video will introduce game-changing investment opportunities that are flying under the radar. If you want to be ahead of the curve, keep watching. 1. Second citizenship investing. Buy passports that appreciate in value. Forget stocks and bonds. Citizenship can be an investment. Certain countries offer citizenship by investment, CBI, programs where you invest in real estate or government funds and receive a second passport. These passports often increase in value, granting you better global mobility, visa-free travel to more countries. Tax advantages. Some countries have zero capital gains tax. Access to emerging markets. Own property in countries with booming economies. St. Kitts and Nevis recently restructured its CBI program, making it one of the most lucrative passport investments for 2025. 2. Investing in longevity. Biotech, the future of human lifespan extension. Billionaires like Jeff Bezos and Peter Thiel are investing in life extension technologies, but retail investors are ignoring this trillion-dollar industry. Companies like Altos Labs and Calico Life Sciences are working on reversing aging. But the best part? Longevity-focused biotech ETFs are already available to regular investors. Actionable strategy. Invest in companies working on gene therapy, cellular reprogramming, and senolytics. Look at private equity funds that focus on longevity. Buy health tech ETFs that focus on AI-driven drug discovery. Why? The global anti-aging market is expected to hit $120 billion by 2030. Early adopters will win big. 3. Rare whiskey and fine wine. Better returns than stocks. While most people talk about real estate and gold, elite investors have been quietly making massive returns on whiskey and wine. Rare Scotch whiskey outperformed the S&P 500 in the past decade. Fine wine investing grew by 127% in the last 10 years, with Bordeaux and Burgundy being top assets. How to invest? Use platforms like Vininvest for fine wine, and Whiskey Invest Direct for rare whiskey barrels. Focus on limited edition releases from historic distilleries. Store bottles properly. High-end investors use specialized storage services. Why? The ultra-wealthy see whiskey and wine as a hedge against inflation, and prices keep climbing due to scarcity. 4. Domain name investing. Digital real estate that pays forever. Think real estate is the only valuable property? Think again. Domains are the internet's real estate, and high-value domain names are selling for millions. The domain voice.com sold for $30 million. Short, one word, and brandable domains can appreciate at insane rates. Use sites like GoDaddy Auctions or Flippa to find undervalued domains. Invest in domains related to future trends, AI, Web3, Metaverse, longevity, etc. Rent out high-traffic domains to businesses. Why? Unlike physical real estate, domains have no maintenance costs and can be flipped or leased for passive income. 5. Digital billboard ownership. Own ads without running a business. Forget traditional real estate. What if you could own a piece of advertising real estate that generates income daily? Digital billboards are the next frontier. Instead of renting a building, investors are buying digital ad screens and renting space to businesses. How to invest? Use platforms like Blip Billboards to buy into ad spaces. Partner with local businesses to rent out screen time in high-traffic locations. Focus on cities with high tourism or sports events for premium ad rates. Why? Passive revenue from advertising is recession-proof. Businesses always need visibility. 6. Data storage. Real estate. Invest in the cloud, literally. While everyone is focused on physical real estate, the biggest companies in the world need digital storage real estate. Cloud data centers and server farms are becoming prime real estate for big tech. Investors can own a piece of this booming market through REITs specializing in data centers, e.g., Equinix and Digital Realty. Fractional ownership in cloud computing infrastructure. Investing in companies building decentralized cloud storage, Filecoin, Arweave, etc. Why? As AI and data-driven businesses grow, digital storage space will be more valuable than ever. 7. Private islands and remote land, a billionaire trend that's just starting. Ultra-wealthy individuals are investing in private islands and off-grid land to escape economic instability. But small investors can get in too. How to invest? Buy cheap remote land in regions with future development potential. Rent land to ecotourism or survivalist communities. Use fractional island ownership programs to get a piece of prime real estate. Private islands in Central America and the Philippines are still undervalued, but rising fast. 8. Investing in online businesses that run themselves. Instead of starting a business from scratch, why not buy one that's already profitable? How to do it? Use platforms like Empire Flippers, MicroAcquire, or Flippa to buy online businesses. Focus on cash-flowing assets like affiliate websites, dropshipping stores, or automated SaaS. Hire a virtual assistant to manage day-to-day tasks while you collect profits. Why? Online businesses can be acquired for 3-5x yearly earnings, making them much cheaper than traditional businesses. 9. Investing in AI-generated content businesses, the next gold rush. Content creation is evolving with AI, and investors are quietly building wealth by automating content businesses. Examples: AI-powered YouTube automation channels, faceless content that generates ad revenue. AI-written blogs monetized through affiliate marketing and Google AdSense. AI-voice-generated audiobook publishing. Why? With the rise of tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and 11 Labs, content creation is cheaper and faster than ever. Most people stick to traditional investments, but the biggest opportunities are hidden from the mainstream. If you want to be ahead of the curve, you need to think outside the box. Which investment strategy surprised you the most? Drop a comment below.